look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. Well, there's so much they hold, and just like them old stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul?
As Desiree and Brandon get married today, they are leaving their families, will become one, and form a new family. Because this truly is a unified family, full of love, laughter, and support, saying that we are joyfully handing off our daughter, our sister, in the next great adventure of marriage.
To do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn, some even fall to the earth. We got in line to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't want to be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, still looking up. Well, I won't give up. God knows I'm tough. He knows we got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. I won't give up.
I, Brandon, take you, Desiree, to be my wife, to love and cherish always.
I, Desiree, take you, Brandon, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, to love and cherish always.
I now pronounce you man and wife. And you may kiss the bride.
Imagine I would be here. I couldn't have planned it, couldn't have worked it out. I didn't believe it when they said it. Everything's about to change.
And now I'm facing all of my fears, and there ain't nothing gonna keep me down. Oh, a little love was all I needed. Never gonna be the same. Right where I wanna be. I don't ever wanna leave.
There's nothing better than feeling alright, dancing to the beat of the time of my life together. Oh, this is the best thing ever. There's nothing better. We're out in the light, moving to the rhythm of the time of our lives. Oh, this is the best thing ever.
I finally found a place to be me.
Oh, I finally
to change.
I had to let it go and just be.
Oh, God knows that makes two of us.
Oh, a little love is all we needed. Never gonna be the same.
There's nothing better than feeling alright, dancing to the beat of the time of my life together. Oh, this is the best thing ever. There's nothing better. We're out in the light, moving to the rhythm of the time of our lives. Oh, this is the best thing ever.
It's an honor being his best man and standing by his side and Desiree's side today and see both of you guys dive in and pledge your loyalty and like unshakable love for each other. Honestly, you guys are just an amazing couple and it's a blessing to be a part of it.
Thank you for bringing water to Desi's well that had run dry. And thank you for loving Lily like a daughter. Welcome to the family, Brandon. You're in for life.
Des, you truly deserve this moment. And you deserve this new life that you have made for your family. And we are so happy for you and Brandon and Lily and Kai. And we're so excited to see how your life unfolds together. You know, we'll be there with you guys, by your side, all along the way. And we love you so much.
This is the best thing ever. There is nothing better. We're out in the light, moving to the rhythm of the time of our lives.